turtle. I am seahorse. I am lion. I am snake. I am rabbit. I am blue tick.
Yeah.
I am a green frog.
Find your group. Who are you? What are you now? What are your characteristics as a mammal? Okay? Me too. I'm a mammal because I'm an elephant. Okay, ready? Go. A mammal.
Blooded.
What are characteristics of an amphibian? Go. Now.